Hello, 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 everyone. Yeah, good evening. So we have some people in the house right now. We have Yi Lee. Yeah, present. Welcome, welcome. We have Jack. Yes. Hello, hello, Nami-chan. Lynch is already here. Hello, Realika. We also have Alyssa. Wow, ngayon lang ulit. Oh, sorry. Yeah, right here. Yeah. Ngayon na lang ulit makakanood ng live po. Good evening. Well, welcome. Yes, so I'm facing the same problem again, guys. Like I said, di ba kahapon yung TikTok worked yesterday. Again today, it's not working. Yeah, so just let your friends know na lang, okay? Your friends that are watching in TikTok that I cannot access it. That's why it's really important, okay, that you should be in the YouTube, yeah, subscribing and having the notification on, so you won't miss any live that we're gonna be, doing. Say, okay. So let's just wait for the others to come in. Yeah. Let me have a quick view from here. Yeah, so we have 15 people right now. Yes. watching. Okay. Let's just wait for ano. Let's say 20 and then we will have a start. Till then, guys, if you have any question, trading related questions or chart or anything as such, type it down in the comments. I'll try to answer it as much as, as possible. Okay? The best that I can. Sige, try ko muna tong asa na ba to? Yeah. Thank you for the likes, guys, by the way, ha. Thank you for the likes. Hmm. Hello, hello, hello. Sorry, I was speaking and speaking. If there was no audio, how about now? Is there any audio? Yeah? Hello, hello, hello. Still no sound? Ah, that's weird. Okay. Alright, so sorry about that. Uh, I guess you guys were wondering why everything was so silent. Yes? Yeah, okay, that's good. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's have a continuation again. Sorry, let's go back on the Bitcoin. I guess it was since Bitcoin, guys. Correct? It was since Bitcoin. Alright, let's go back on Bitcoin. Have an explanation again in here. Yep. It's very vital for you to understand that one. Anyways, so again, from the 3-day chart all the way to the daily, yesterday we seen the divergences, bullish divergences. Tama? So with that, we are still above the weekly zone right here. And like I've mentioned earlier, when my microphone was off, as long as we are above the 24,400, okay, or 24,500, anywhere around here, or yeah, that up this week right here, ito, expect Bitcoin to have a high chance of going up, due to the fact that we are also having the bullish divergence, kumbaga. Hello, Mart, from Instagram. Yes, good evening, Mart. And now I'm in live in Instagram, guys, kasi the TikTok is not working. I don't know what I did yesterday that it worked. Now it's not working again. So bad. Yeah. Anyways, so Bitcoin again, we are expecting it to have a retest at least by this 0.618 of the Fibonacci that we plotted yesterday, right around here. Okay, also it plays along the supply zone that we have in here. Yan. Okay, your boy Kai. Good evening, coach. Yes, good evening. Good evening. Welcome. So again, for those who doesn't know, in Instagram, you're live in YouTube, ha? You can drop by if you want to see the full screen. Yeah. So with Bitcoin right now, still we are at the same level. And for those who are new or like wondering, Miss, what is that ABC? Mga ganyan, ano ba yan? Right? What is that? Is that like alphabetical stuff? This, guys, is it falls under the wave principle, or what we call the Elliott wave cycle. I have a explanation about it yesterday on my live, also in YouTube. You can check that out. Okay, for those who are late. Sorry. I was checking my internet. Let me open that up. Yan. Right here. Sige. So for those who doesn't know, you can watch the lives. Okay, again. So right here, September 4th, I have discussed Elliott wave with this one. So if you guys are wondering with it, yeah? Yeah, so if you guys are wondering what is Elliott wave, I gave a basic or like introduction with it. Mga 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na yon, mga impulse, correction and stuff. It is there. It is in this live, okay? Just check it out. September 4. Alright? Churcher, good evening, good evening. Yes. Realicals is everywhere, no? Here na lang sa Instagram. Sige. So, yeah. Let's go back and here again. We have the Elliott wave count now. This is the correction, and we are expecting it to have the bounce. All right, we expecting it to have the bounce from here. So with that said, just be patient, guys. It's gonna be a slow month all the way till October, I guess. And if I'm not wrong, if this is gonna play out like this, along with the months, listen up, everyone. Okay, if this is gonna play out like this, we all know, I have discussed it before, that September is a bearish month. August, September is a bearish month, and September is somewhat like a PTSD of what has happened in the August. So do not expect anything major with September. And if the month will end by the September, it will either be -5, -3%, with a movement by the month, or like +1, +2%. So nothing much. And that explains by this. If we get the move up right now, that would be around September 25, October, and it will drag. And by this right here, assuming that this is gonna be the last wave of the correction, which is the C wave right now, ito C wave, guys, then it will be correlating with the time frame also that I have discussed before. I forgot what date na, but I have discussed that on my YouTube live then. Yes, so if that happens, it will be correlating with the November, by this, November, December is usually the trigger point of Bitcoin to either go up or go down. Okay, so once we got the data from right here, okay, once I got the data from around here, hopefully, if our data speaks, oh, it's bullish, if it says bearish, whatever the action that will happen on those months, typically that would be the trigger point or the starting point, and it will just continue doing like that. Okay, remember that I said it. Yeah, so but let's since I am assuming that it's gonna continue to move up, kasi why, on the micro time frame we are bullish. Yeah, we are bullish right here. This was the end of the bear market. We got the break of the control of the market structure. So from here, this is currently the correction of it, and it looks something like this. Impulse, correction, and hopefully a continuation right now to the upside. And that would trigger around this area. November, December, just around that area, okay? We'll see how does that work. Again, this is the full-on view of the weekly zone, yung mga strong support, mga resistances. You can take a screenshot, or you can watch this one again, the live. Okay, if it's too fast for you, you can study it, kumbaga. Okay, so that's it for Bitcoin. And let's check some comments muna. Okay. Alright. You're live in IG as well? Yes po, I am live in IG as well. Hello, Sudip Kunai. Welcome. We just started, Sudip. Don't worry. You don't use volume po. In some trades, I do. Good. Kenneth Agojo. Welcome. Yes, good evening. Yeah. Again, for those people who just got in, and where is this? Okay, Realicals. Yeah, you can do. Yeah, for those who are in Instagram, you can watch us in YouTube, if this one, Okay, so first leg pa lang po ba yan ng elite wave? Can see the full chart. Oh, sorry. Can see the chart now full because I'm watching your live. Yep, this is the first leg all the way up, pataas muna. I mean the cycle itself. First leg wave, macro, okay? Alright, so for Bitcoin, we have that. And now let's open up Unify. Okay? I want to check the Unify, guys. Okay, this was our trade yesterday. Yep. So let's try to. Okay. So yesterday it was just around here, correct? We were playing around this area. This I haven't managed to watch now. We didn't even set any alerts yesterday. So, but finally we have the break. Currently, we get the break of the trend line. That's the thing. So 1 hour right now. 1, 2, 3. I want to double check, guys, if this is like the proper break of it or it's gonna be a fake out, kumbaga. Right? Why? On the higher time frame, we are looking at that it can, hit all the way to 11. But if we look at the 4 hour right now, we have the break of the trend line or the current pattern. You can call it a pattern. Look, it forms into a pattern right now, right here. So we get the break. And if this one, let me take this out. Okay, let me try to have the count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, if this is the diagonal that is currently moving right now, and this is the fifth, if this is the fifth, then I'm going to assume that this one is the A, and typically the A ends around the 3 territory, 3-wave territory, or 3-wave territory. So right here, if we do get the bounce, I'm gonna be expecting a short position by the B. Okay. Let me move this one. Yeah, around this B, and this time, guys, I'm gonna be setting my alert. This, I will remove this. This one is done. And eto, I want to refine this. That this is the yung space, yung sobrang daming rejection. Okay, there's a lot of rejection right around this area. So I want to take note of that. So let's open the 1 hour. I want to see the movement of the 1 hour. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess there's another leg down of the A. But yeah, so it's not yet finished. Let's wait. Yeah, but I have my alert now. Anywhere around here, I will be interested again to possibly, take a short position. Okay, so that's for the Unify. And then the next trade that we were looking yesterday was the Gala. Tama? And like I mentioned, it was not yet our time to trade. September, right here, it was like around, this was the 8 p.m. Yeah, we were around this area yesterday. And like I said, it was not yet done. So now we're moving downwards. But now, let's check if it's possibly, tradable na for us. So 4 hour. Okay, we're getting some bullish signs right there. Let me make this one right here. Guys, if you have any question, let me know in the comments. Okay. Alright, so again, thank you guys for the likes, likes and comments. If you have any question, I'm welcome to answer that. So again, with the Gala, finally we're getting those divergences. 1 hour is also there, it's present. Let me double check something up. 1. Okay, not bad, not bad. 1, 2. Okay, so if we are about to take a long position by this, sorry, this is a short, yeah. Now I'm a little bit confused because of the color. Yeah, there. So this is a 4%. So just mind, okay? 4% is what we're getting right now. And the take profit that I am eyeing is this area. So if we're gonna take this, parang ganyan, it's not that, what's the word for that? It is not a efficient or practical type of trade. It's a 1 is to 1. I guess if it was a 2 is to 1, then, or 1.9, 1.8 is to 1, then we can possibly take it. But currently where it is at, not yet. Okay, by the entry. I'm not happy with the entry, that's the thing. So, miss, how can we get the entry, right? Okay, so now let's try to find possible push down, kumbaga. Alright, so let me have analyzation right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to see the lower time frame, like 20 minutes, 20, 15. 1, 2, 15. 15 currently, there's no weakness sign. Not yet. Okay, guys, listen up. So, optimal entry for us is around here. Okay, so Gala, you can take a trade. Okay, or you can do paper trading or watch it by yourself. The only entry that we will be considering is anything below, this yellow line. Okay, this yellow line, you can see the value on the right side, which is 0.051580. So anywhere below that, okay, this is the take profit zone by this white trend line, by this trend line. Oh, sorry. Here. Yeah. So by this trend line, then I'll consider taking profit. So, miss, what if, currently my take profit is around here. Miss, what if the Gala was so slow and it hits around here? Yan. And that's your take profit. Okay. That's a trend line rejection right there. Okay. But in terms of entry, guys, this is not yet the entry, or I won't even consider it entering yet. So for stop loss, let's do a stop loss of this area. Yep. And that is a 2.7 is to 1 RR if we do hit this zone right now. Okay. 2.7 is to 1. Not bad. Yeah. Even if it around here, that is a 2 is to 1, which what we were looking for, at least, minimum. So, yeah, that one, guys, for Gala, for everyone. Sige. I'll take a note around here, guys. I want to take a note. TP tayo dito. And right here, entry natin. So, anywhere below this, we can take a trade. Ideally, mga around here. But I guess that would be too, what's the word for that? Low. Let me have a double check, guys. I would like to see a double check from here. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so consider around this yellow, we were properly, we're somewhat right by the supply and demand and touches only, guys. Just a moment. I guess this is why my TikTok is not working. I guess I figured out something, guys. I got a notification. Give me a minute, okay? A minute. Okay. Let's see if this one gets. Nami-chan, till then, let's answer some question. Nami-chan, sa Pinas ka po ba lumaki or dayo ka lang po dito? Sa Pinas po ako lumaki. Why'd you ask? So marunong pa ako mag-Tagalog Kavil, wow. Thank you for that. We like to learn. Kavil was like, we like to learn from you. Thank you. Thank you for that. I'll try my best to teach, that much I can. Kavil, thanks for the crypto like. Thank you. Thank you for being here also. I appreciate it. Yeah. Funny. Okay, let's see if the TikTok is gonna work now. So bad. Okay, so let's just wait, guys, for this gala. I want to see if it's gonna have a rejection. Or is it gonna push up what's the word for that? Like, the train will, will leave without us. Parang ganon ba? We'll see. We'll see. Okay? But anyways, like I've mentioned, it is not a trade yet. Our trade is around here. It's sitting around here. Unless and until it doesn't hit this area, we're not gonna trade it. Alright? Remember that. Okay, so let's open Cyber. Cyber fluctuates a lot from here. Still moving down, but I guess Cyber is having that. It's gonna get tired soon for sure. And that is what I'm waiting for that. Okay, so we have the break down to the downside with Cyber right here. Breakdown, now moving lower. Let me see. Okay. Right around there. It might have a touch, a tap out around that area, guys. Where I just plotted it on the lower time frame. And if I'll extend this one, let me try to, if I can extend, yeah. If I'll extend that on the left side, that is also the top of where, Cyber started breaking it to the upside. So what are the chances that it's gonna have a bounce right here? High probability it will have a bounce. So Cyber, take note of it. I'm gonna take by the starting of this week. Yan. Okay. From that area, I want to have a alert because by then I'm gonna be interested in taking a possible long position with Cyber. Okay, now I have 2 trade setups for you now, guys. Okay, first off, Gala. Second thing, Cyber. You just have to be patient. I want you to do your alerts. Yes. 1 hour is currently flat now. Okay. Yep, so anywhere around this area, guys, we're gonna be interested with Cyber. Okay, take note. From the green line all the way to the zone. Then we will be interested on taking a trade. Miss, what trade? Short or long? A bounce, guys. Bounce is like this. So whenever I speak bounce, yan. Okay? That is a bounce. So, from here, I would like to see this top. This is pretty parabolic to the downside. So, the only way we can watch this is by this, but that is out of my strategy. It doesn't, what's the word for that? It doesn't comply. It doesn't fit my strategy. So, we just have to be patient with this one because it is not yet a sure trade. But what is sure, guys, is when we hit this zone, okay, we are the first people who'll be there, okay? And we know what to do, okay? prepare for a long position. So that's for cyber. Let me move that up. Yeah, Unify also I've mentioned what should we do, right? Wait for this area. So that's a 3 trade setups now. It's up to you, to watch it, paper trade it if you'd like, or just simply just like, see how it works. Yeah, so yesterday we have the MATIC, and MATIC from our entry, it was a, pretty easy trade like I mentioned yesterday. The moment we had the break, it was a sure entry talaga. The moment I said it, it was an entry right there. So it was a take profit right around the zone. Now we got the break of the MATIC. So miss, is it too late for me to take a trade with the MATIC? I personally would not trade this, meaning like I would not ride it yet. Not yet. Okay, so let me open up my MA. So on the 1 hour, let me move to the 4 hour muna ha. I want to see the 4 hour. Okay. So 4 hour, this blue line that you guys are seeing is the 200 EMA. So what does it mean? There would be a high chance that we're gonna be rejecting over that. So if ever you guys are holding MATIC right now for a long position, or if you are gonna be taking a trade with it, this blue line is something to watch for. So miss, what can we do with it? It can be our take profit, take profit area. Okay, so that's one thing. And this one is not fixed, that's why. So I'm not gonna plot any line, like this horizontal line, this yellow line that you're seeing. I'm not gonna do that because this one is gonna move with the candlestick. So it can be, it can go more down like that. It can go high like that. Yeah, so the value is gonna change. So, but with that said, yeah, let's open the 1 hour right now. What is it? Yeah, Yuli is like, pag nag one-on-one po ba, makikita ka, ma'am. Maybe. I have some of my private students that, that are my friends na talaga. And they have access on my private accounts. Yeah. Couple of my students. Yeah. So you can say that. Yeah. Okay. So continuation right here. Finally, on the 1 hour, the blue line and then the white line, yeah, we finally have that crossover. Yep. So the first crossover that has happened is right here. Yan. So is it bullish? Somewhat bullish. But this right here, this signifies, oh, that is bullish. You guys get it? So with that, what we're gonna be doing is wait for the retest. So where is the retest gonna be happening? This is gonna be around this area wherein the traffic of the trades are heavy, and this is by that. And that also confluences with your EMA. Possibly it will move like this. Eto, the moment this happened, it will move like that. This yellow line is gonna be right here. So can you guys like just picture it out? It's going to be somewhat like, let me take everything of this up muna ha. And let me have, how can I do this? Yep. Can you guys see? Yeah. It will create somewhat like a basket. Like it will catch the price. So if the price goes up, basic lesson with EMA, listen up, is this. The higher the price, or the farther the price goes away from the EMA, it can be to the upside, can be to the downside, okay? The farther it goes, the harder it will go down. Okay? So if it's like a slow, your correction is gonna be slow also. But the moment you get parabolic, the moment it do its correction, it's going to be a crash. So Okay, most of the time it will be a crash. And then second thing. So with that said, the farther it goes, right? Oh, it went far, Mace. But this is the thing. EMA or MA in general, they are like elastic band, right? Like a rubber band. Have you seen like a rubber band? Try to, to extend it, yeah, and then release it. What happens? It bounces back. So, in simple words, babalik yan. It's gonna go back. So, with that, going back again, since we're going far from the EMA right now, Miss, is there any chance that it's gonna go back? Yes, it will. Sige. So, watch out, guys. Okay, for that. Now, let's try to open the 30 minutes right here. So far, the 50 EMA is currently, supporting our trend pretty nicely. But the strong support that I am seeing is the 50. Sorry. The white line, let me correct that, erase. Sorry. Let me say that again. The white line is the 20, okay? And currently, 20 EMA is supporting us pretty well. However, the strong support that I am currently seeing talaga, okay, is the yellow line, which is the 50 EMA. Okay? So with that, if ever we get the bounce, from the 20, that bounce, you can possibly take a trend trading with it. But I do not recommend for you to, oh, miss, it's gonna go more up. Or what you can do is this. Take profit or take your stop loss when you break the white EMA. Clear? Especially if you're doing a low time frame type of trade, yung mga scalping, especially scalping, okay? Why? There's a high chance that we're gonna go all the way down to where? To the yellow line. And this is where I will be interested, by the yellow line. So if the MATIC right now is gonna go to the yellow line right here, then I might take or consider a trend trade with the MATIC. Clear? Okay, sige. So, okay, how many trades do we have now? We have 4 trades now. BNB, it's not in my priority right now. But let's have a check. Yeah, it's not in my priority right now. Something like this. Wait. Guys, by the way, listen up. If you have any, or you took some trade, or you're watching any paper trade, whatever we charted in the live, yeah, you can chart it also on your chart. That's fine. And I actually encourage you guys to do that, Please do that so, you learn with time. Yeah, that this is practice itself. Now, if there's any progress, if there's any update, yeah, let's say like, oh, miss, it hits the entry. Miss, it takes the stop loss, whatever, right? Oh, miss, it broke out. Yung pattern natin, nag-broke out, miss. Let's say like that. You can message me in Instagram or in Discord. Okay? We can discuss it. So, I do encourage you guys to do that. Again, it's free. Okay? It is free. Alright, so, let me have a check over here muna. Give me a moment. I want to see. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so BNB is looking like this right now. Let's open the 1 hour. This is not, you can trade it on the lower time frame, but it's not worth it for me. This type of trade. Yeah. By the way, guys, thank you for the likes, Thanks for the support every time, Every time I end the YouTube, I don't know. It feels nice lang, you know. At least I am helping small starting traders. Kumbaga, you know? Yeah, so BNB, we are in a pattern. Guys, we are gonna be interested with BNB to take as a trade only when we hit the white trend line. Trend line guys, not the zone. Then only I will be interested, I myself. So I would like to do an alert over that and then another alert of the possible breakout. Yan. Okay? That is for our BNB right here. No, that is way too near. So let me do like that. Yan. That's for our BNB. Okay? So since we charted that, let's put that up in the priority. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades for you guys to watch and study. Possibly trade also. But again, that is by your risk. I do not encourage you guys to be taking trades with me. This is pure educational. Take what you can, get from it. And leave something that does not work with you. That's how trading is. That is somewhat similar with the BNB. So guys, if you notice, this big not big, but like you can call them major altcoins already because they've been there for years. Really good fundamentals also, really good market cap. So as you can notice guys, BNB and DOT earlier, they have the same structure. Can you see? Yeah. So the tendency with these coins, they trade or move the same na, somewhat, okay? Not all of them, but somewhat. You will find similar pattern. Sometimes the BNB will, let's say, break out first, and then the DOT, almost is not breaking out yet. It will have its time, an hour, 4 hour, 12 hours later, then it will have the break. Or perhaps 15 minutes later, then it will have the break. Yeah, observe that. Now I'm sharing you some tips already. Tips for how to stop this herd mentality. Herd, I guess you're referring to being a sheep. Ganun ba? Like following the crowd. Just have confidence in yourself. That's it. And you know, even though that, yeah, I have experience and everything, it does not mean that, oh, you follow me 100% ganun. Yeah, I can be wrong. Yeah, some of my trades are wrong. Some of my trades hit stop losses. Yan. But it's again, trading is this a take and leave type of, type of system that I have. Oh, what's the word for that in Tagalog? Forgot the word in Tagalog. Anyway, so have confidence, Nami-chan. Have confidence in yourself and try your best to do your, your own type of trade. Yeah. Lynch, ganda structure ni BNB. Yeah, you can say that. It's pretty easy. It's somewhat like the MATIC yesterday. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. We all learn from you how to trade crypto. Thank you. Kevil, you're welcome. Thank you for being here also. Yes. So, hi, ma'am Nix. Oh, my name is not Nix, but hello, Mike. Hello. Parang si MATIC at ADA almost same structure. Yeah. Is ADA and MATIC has the same structure right now? Yeah, something like that, guys. Some of the trades will have similar structure, especially major altcoins. Yan. Okay, so this one is a good question. Sabi po nila, sumasabay mga coins sa Bitcoin. So, in English, Nami-chan was like, I was saying that other coins, tends to follow Bitcoin. And that is true, okay, in some cases. So, Nami was asking if there's anything, may nangyayari po ba na Bitcoin TAs yung mga altcoin opposite yung reaction. So, Nami was asking if there's anything that, correct me if I'm wrong, Nami, ha? If Bitcoin, is moving in a way and then altcoins are doing the opposite, movement, there are. Yeah, it happens. Yes, it happens. So, I want you to study those type of coins, guys. They can be another type of trading or strategy yan, to be honest. It's another strategy for you to trade wherein like, oh, this coin, in nature, it goes against Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin goes up, I'm gonna short this trade. Did you guys get the idea? Yeah, those are strategies. There are 100,000 of strategies, guys, how to trade. You just have to pick one. So, Julio Martili Cabuan. Hello, Julio. It's been quite some time, yeah? That good price to add more. Those who knows. Yeah, that's right. That right now is a good price. If you guys are, looking for some coins to buy for possible bull run, that is one of them. Yeah, it's a pretty strong coin. And who knows? Anywhere around 4 dot, that is like, a buy opportunity for you. And I don't think we're gonna go again at these levels once the bull run starts, I'm telling you. Please give me a clue. These 3 coins, Hi-Fi, Acro, and ING and BLZ. That's a lot of coins. But okay, I'll tell you about ING. Wait, correct me if I'm wrong, if that was the ING. ING, it is the gaming coin from Korea, right? Wait, let me check. Let me have a check on that. Was it ING or ENG? Back 2019, 2020. If this is the coin, is this the gaming coin ba? Or the coin that is... Okay, now it's a lending protocol. Yeah. Now, I guess it was the ENG coin. ENG coin. Yeah. Yeah, sorry. It's the engine coin. It was different. Yeah, anyways. That I cannot give you any clue, Cavill. Yeah. In terms of fundamentals, I thought it was ING, but no, it was different. I was thinking. Yeah, anyways, if you're asking me for the technical analysis, let me know. Yeah. Lynch, misrecall lang po, di ba sabi mo after move ng Bitcoin, delay yung move ng altcoins? That can be, like I said, especially, okay, let me break this down. During bull market, Bitcoin will tend to move first. Tendency yan. Means there will be are there gonna be coins or altcoins that are gonna move first rather than the Bitcoin? There are, especially yung mga coins na mga new launch type of coins. Yun yung mga nagpa-pump 1,500% in spot, ha? Those type of coins. So, during bull market, Bitcoin will tend to move first. Yes, the altcoin will have its move also, but that is not like the pure move of the altcoin. The pure move of the altcoin to the upside happens a month later. Yeah, take note of that. I'm literally sharing to you guys. So these are these are experiences that you can only get once you experience bull market and bear market yourself. And I'm sharing it. Hopefully, to be honest, I hope someone told me that. I would have made more money and save a lot money during my bull market. As I learn, it's a trial and error type of skill, this trading. And every bull market and bear market, I cannot say that it's the same. No. It's there will be difference. Yeah, there will be difference. But some of it, by the fundamentals, the movements, they're somewhat same. So, do you trade po na may sell, tas iba-buy? It doesn't look right po kasi parang isang panig lang mananalo, but it depends pa rin po sa strategy. Yeah. I do have some sells, I do have some buy type of shade. So, if you are in the premium, you can see the previous trades, okay, that I have posted. There will be trades that at the same time I'll post a sell, and at the same time I'll post a long. And my students will be asking, Miss, isn't this contradicting? I thought it's gonna go up, but why do you have a sell right now? It's because of, the nature of the coin. So there are those trades, guys, okay? So don't be surprised. As Sudip is like right now, I bought some coins with a little amount and waiting for Bitcoin to reject from 28k here so we can buy lower. Currently where you at right now, Sudip, if you want the Bitcoin, it is at the good price, 25k. It is at the good price. So if you're talking about that, it is at the perfect price. 4. Mentally, I will always remember that. The 4 of that. So, in either coin, you'll be in a good position right now, especially with Bitcoin. Let me try to check Bitcoin. Okay. Like, check this out, Sudip, right here. I'm in the weekly chart, I'm currently in the weekly chart. Can you see? We start the trend up, end of the bear market at the same time, and out of this movement to the upside, out of 7 months, also, we finally have a drawdown right here, and it is by the weekly zone. So, there's a high chance that we will have a bounce from here and we might not visit this area again. I'm telling you. So, Miss, what about Miss? What if it goes more down? 22k. If you have some spare, add more. It's not your time to sell. Anywhere, Bitcoin, anywhere around below, okay? Sorry. I'm way too excited to share this. That's why. Anywhere below 30k right now with Bitcoin, it is a buy if you are looking for a long-term position. Okay, I'm not talking futures. I'm not talking scalp, day trade. I'm talking long-term, bull market long-term. So anywhere around 30k is a good buy already. 25, oh, so good. Especially that we had the break right here. Back February. There was a strong candle break right there. And it is a weekly strong support. So, from this alone, it does not matter if you're gonna add more, 22k, you're gonna add more right here. The downside, I'm telling you, the downside right now is really small. If it goes more all the way down, that's negative 50%. Yeah, I know it looks big, but you have to understand, guys, that market moves to the upside. Historically, I'm telling you, historically it moves up. And if you look at by the all-time high only, that is a 3x, 157% return. So no, it does not matter if you bought around here, 22, what matters is you have Bitcoin, and that is buy below 30K, because this is just, the touch of something bigger. Bitcoin has the potential to go higher. Okay, that's another discussion. But that's all I can say. And I'm telling you all right now, right here, that it is a good buy. Okay? Mom, Wildcoin, pump again like Cyber, probably. But this is the thing, guys, with Wildcoins, they're wild. You don't know what's gonna happen. And if there's any fundamentals with it, fundamental driven, tech driven, possibly. But if it is like a hype driven, that's a 50-50. That I cannot say. Yeah. Thank you, Paul, for answering my question. Of course, like I said, guys, just message whatever, question you have regarding to crypto and trading. I'll try to answer it as best as I can. Yeah. Relaxing means nag-overthink na siya lang siya. Ano? chill namin, ha? Wala sa TikTok, Ma'am Mayari. For today, Ronnie, my TikTok is not working, sadly. It is not. So, like I have mentioned yesterday in TikTok, it was just out of luck that it worked. So, I have told everyone in TikTok, if you want to catch me doing live, it's gonna be on YouTube. Fix yan. Walang restriction, nothing. Like TikTok, wala. Sige? So, tell your friends, your family, okay, to go over my YouTube, Mayari Capital. Ask them to, have the subscribe. Yeah, be a subscriber, because we have a sub goal. We have a sub goal sitting down here. Can you see? Yeah? So, who knows what are we gonna get out of that, right? Lynch, naalala ko sa'yo last year. Naalala ko sarili ko sa'yo last year. So, Lynch was, it's just simply saying that he is reminded by Nami how he is like right now. Yeah, last year. Yeah, that's a good advice, Lynch. Yeah, just relax. I also get why, Nami is like that. But it's good. Be curious, Nami. Okay? But stay chill. Don't overthink anything. That's it. Oh, hello. Late tayo, Carla. But good evening. Hello. Yes. Anyways, so I guess that's it for, this evening, everyone. Yeah. I have given you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 possible trade for you to watch and possibly, do a paper trade out of it. It's up to you how you're gonna use that knowledge now. Okay? And I'll see you guys tomorrow again. And I might have, no, not might, but I will have a big announcement coming up soon. So please, gather your friends, your family who are interested in trading. I will have a big announcement soon. Sige? So for those who are late, Carl, yeah, sorry. Yeah, for those who are late, guys, you can watch this live again. Okay, that's the beauty with YouTube. You can watch it again. Alright? Ma'am, ikaw din ba si Annie of Trade Travel Chill? No, I am not. I only have one account, guys, and that is Mayari. Okay, Mayari Capital. That's it. Nothing more. Yeah? Yeah. So, guys, so have a good night, everyone. I'll see you guys around tomorrow. Hopefully, the TikTok will work. Yeah, hopefully. Because, I also miss those people in there. Yeah. Okay, take care, everyone. Have a good night. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.